Hey guys, what's happening? So everyone usually asks me, hey Sonny, what do you take? What supplements do you take? Do you take this? Do you take that? And you know, the question is quite simple, guys? You gotta take supplements, you know, because food only has like a limited amount. So therefore, I usually just take just a bit of a mixture, just to kind of keep my energies nice and high throughout the kind of the day. Just due to like long hours of monkey and whatnot, you know. So I'll just dive straight into it, alright? So the first thing I usually love in the morning is like heathers, vitamin C, 2000 mg, just to kind of, you know, supports the immunity, with colds and whatnot. So it just keeps you nice and great, you know, all year round. Helps you from getting sick. And then what I like to stack that with is some EPH Labs Oxy greens, you know, great for the body. Has pretty much like a ton of greens in it, probiotics, blah blah blah. So yeah, you can take that, and then some fish oils. Give it 1 minute. So yeah, to quickly just go and grab my go healthy fish oils. I usually go for the 2000 mg. You know, it's great for the heart, healthy heart. I'll just making me laugh. Freaking worth it. Yeah, so healthy heart, brain function, and you know, muscle relaxation. So yeah, overall it's great. So you take 2 of those. Yeah, so 2 of those throughout the day. And then another thing I love to take is the muscle testosterone. Yeah. Great for pumps, strength, and a bit of sexual power. So yeah, it's freaking fantastic. Another thing I love to take is vitamin K2 and K2 and D3 put together, you know. Great for strong bone strength and yeah, heart disease, nervous system, you name it. So that's really freaking good. Just 1 of those a day. And the last thing is I'll just stack that with some Sanderson's vitamin D3 at 1000 IU. Yeah, like again, you know, healthy strong bones, supports the immunity, and great for the whole entire nervous system. So yeah, that's pretty much what I take, guys. Like, you know, like, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, supplements, absolute key, essential. Yeah, just for all our bodybuilding people out there, you know. Gotta look after your body. What you put in is what you're gonna get out. So yeah, ciao, see you again next time.